Jai Srimannarayana. 14th sloka of 6th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Prasantatma Vigatabhihi Brahmachari व्रते स्थितः मनः संयम्य मच्चित्तः युक्त आसीत मत्परः Om. Be fearless. Fix your thoughts on me because I am the Supreme. And do meditation every day. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending every one of us to surrender to Him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, "Come to me, surrender to me alone. Mamekam Saranam Vraja." Now let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma saying that, "O Krishna, O Srimannarayana, I shall fix my thoughts in your divine personality and meditate upon yourself every day. I shall be fearless. O Krishna, O Srimannarayana, I shall surrender to you alone. O Krishna, O Srimannarayana, I shall act according to your word. Srimannarayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava." Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana. Now you respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma within your bhavana following these lines. O Krishna, O Srimannarayana, I realize that I shall always remember that Rajogunam is the source for all sensible enjoyments. And I shall definitely keep on trying to see that Sattvagunam is dominated and Rajogunam is suppressed in me. O Srimannarayana, I shall surrender to you unconditionally. I shall not cry anymore. Srimannarayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava. I shall obey your orders. Please help me act according to your will. Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam sukamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam pibata bhagavatam rasamalayam muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantamanupeta krutyam dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava putreti tanmayataya taravo bhineduhu tam sarvabhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naram chaiva narottamam Devim Saraswatim Vyasam Tato Jayam Vudirayet. In Srimad Bhagavatam 9th Skandham, Suta Mahamuni giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshit Narendra, saying that, "O Parikshit Narendra, Kartaviryarjuna ruled the kingdom for 85,000 years. He enjoyed all the pleasures. After a fight with Parasurama, out of Kartaviryarjuna's 1,000 sons, only 5 sons were left. They are Jayadhvajaha, Suraseno, Vrishabho, Madhuhu, Vurjitaha. They are Jayadhvaja, Surasena, Vrishabha, Madhuvu, Vurjita. Jayadhvaja's son is Talajangha. Talajangha has 100 sons. And Talajangha's first son is Jyeshtha. His son is Madhu. And Madhu's son is Vrishni. Like that, Yadava, Madhava, Vrishni. These dynasties came out of Yadu, Madhu, Vrishni. And Kroshta's son is Vrujinavana. Vrujinavana's son is Svahita. His son is Chitraradha. Chitraradha's son is Shashabindu. Shashabindu has 10,000 wives. Through every wife, he gave birth to 1,00,000 sons. Like that, his children became 10,000 lakhs. Out of all of them, there are few important people like Prudhushrava, Prudhukirti, and etc. Prudhushrava's son is Dharma. Dharma's son is Vusana. Vusana has done 100 Asvamedha Yajnas. Like that, Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching. What happens next, we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmat Gurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna Rakshatuno Jagatraya Guruhu. Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishnena Marasatravo Vinihataha. Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam. Krishnasya Dasosmyaham. Krishne Tishtati Visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 6th chapter, 14th sloka. Prashantatma vigatabhihi brahmachari vrate sthitaha manas sanyamya machittaha yukta asita matparaha. Prashantatma vigatabhihi brahmachari vrate sthitaha manas sanyamya machittaha yukta asita matparaha. Srimannarayana karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.